Introducing the 10-inch portable pie carrier with lid and tray, the perfect solution for storing and transporting your delicious baked creations. Made of food-grade PP material, this cake carrier is BPA-free, ensuring that your stored foods are kept fresh and safe for your family and friends to enjoy. It is also environmentally friendly, as it can be recycled and reused, unlike paper cake carriers. With a bottom diameter of 10.6 inches and a lid diameter of 11.8 inches, this carrier can accommodate pies up to 9.5 inches in diameter. It comes with a removable tray, allowing for easy and convenient storage of cupcakes and eggs. The durable collapsible handles and sturdy clamps ensure safe and easy transportation and carrying. Not only is this carrier perfect for storing pie cakes, cupcakes, and eggs, but it is also suitable for catering events, bake sales, birthdays, picnics, parties, and more. It is even travel-friendly, as it can be safely placed in the trunk of your car without worrying about it sliding around. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international users may require an adapter or converter for compatibility. Product dimensions: 11.8 by 11.8 by 2.8 inches. Item weight: 1.37 pounds. ASIN B0831GXNYM. Customer reviews: 4.6 out of 5 stars, 361 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 28,059 in kitchen and dining, number 34 in cupcake carriers. Is discontinued by manufacturer. No date. First available December 23, 2019. Number of sets: 1. Get your 10-inch portable pie carrier with lid and tray today and enjoy the convenience of storing and transporting your baked goods with ease. Click the short link in the description to purchase now.